everyone, and welcome to another fantastic video where we hit the hiking trails. And today, it's spring and yet it feels like winter. It is cold. It is cold, and I did not expect this. I was not prepared. I didn't check the temperatures before I left, so I am out here freezing today, and it is very windy. But our hike today is very interesting because I unexpectedly end up hiking a mountain. I saw a pathway, I saw some built-in stone steps, so I thought, hey, let's take it. And I ended up going up and up and up and way up and kept going up. So it is quite an interesting hike. And eventually I make my way to a river where, not even a river, a tiny little stream, where I saw a lot of gold sparkles. Makes me wonder, what are those gold sparkles? If you are new to the channel, my name is Mike, and what I do here is point of view hiking videos. It's where you get a chance to go on a hike with me and see what I see. And I do a video twice a week. And the first video I do is where I tell you some kind of story, maybe something inspirational or something just entertaining. And then the second video I make is a sights and sound video where I let you actually listen to the sights and the sounds of the location where I am. And that is what we are doing today. But it's very windy out, so that's what you're going to be hearing. A lot of wind and me out of breath because I'm hiking a very steep mountainside. So a lot of I had to stop recording a few times because I didn't want you to hear me doing that. But it's going to be nice. It is a beautiful day out and some great scenery. So you can just sit back and relax and enjoy yourself and escape from your daily life. But before we do that, there are some things we need to take care of first. First of all, if you have not subscribed to this channel, why not do it now? Like right now. All you got to do is hit that little thing right there that says subscribe. It's so easy to do. Why not? By subscribing, it grows the channel and allows me to keep doing this. But of course, if nobody's really subscribing, and well, why would I keep doing this? Also, if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that like button? I mean, seriously, just give it a slap across the face. Just slap it. Let me know that you liked the video by showing me. Just don't tell me in the comment section, although that is greatly appreciated as well. Leaving a comment to say how much you enjoyed the video and how my voice is soothing and how that you think that I'm the greatest YouTuber who ever lived. Sorry, I just threw up in my mouth a little. But you know, it's easy to do. And one last thing, before we get to the video and you get to enjoy the sights and the sound and me falling down the side of the mountain and hurting myself pretty badly and having to call 911, and you get to see all that happen and watching my arm swing back and forth because it was now disconnected from my body. Fantastic! You get to see that all. But first, I need to do a shameless plug. Yeah, it is the moment in the program, in the video, where I shamelessly plug something of mine. Nobody else's, of mine. Something I've created. You might like to call it merch. I don't. I hate that word. But I also hate merchandise because it always reminds me of those skeevy guys in vans who has like giant boxes that says speakers on them. And, you know, you used to see them a lot in the 80s and 90s and maybe the early 2000s. I don't know if they're out there anymore, but they used to go, hey, yo, come over here. I got some merchandise for you. And, you know, and you'd go over there and they'd be like, yeah, you see these giant speakers here? Normally those things go for $2,000 each. $25 each. You have them, you take them right now. It is the deal of the century, let me tell you. I've got so much great merchandise here. I've got stereos and CD players and Blu-ray players. And oh, I got a fantastic 4K player that has 3D capabilities. Oh, and you should see the big screen TVs I got in my warehouse. All kinds of merchandise. Yeah, so I kind of understand why people probably started to say the word merch instead. But either way, I hate both words. So how about we just call it stuff? Stuff that I've created. And right now, I'm going to shamelessly plug it. That's right, it's time for a shameless plug, where I plug something of mine shamelessly. And today, I'm going to promote MikeBurkePhotography.com. Many times when I'm out here on the trails, you'll find me with my camera, snapping away. I love photography, and I have created a website where I sell prints of the many images I have taken over the years. If you're looking for the most perfect, beautiful landscape image, an image of the ocean, of the sunset, of autumn or winter, check out MikeBurkePhotography.com for that most perfect image to hang in your living room. You'll also find plenty of options. You can get it as a print, canvas, a metal print. Check it out today, MikeBurkePhotography.com. And that is the end of my shameless plug. Now, back to the video.